Meaning of dilly-dally.
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 Dilly-dally. Dilly-dally means to waste time or procrastinate, often by doing something slowly or indecisively. This phrase is often used to describe someone who is hesitant to make a decision, or who avoids taking action on a task. The result of dilly-dallying is usually a delay in progress towards a goal, missed opportunities, or increased stress and frustration. It's important to avoid dilly-dallying and instead focus on making timely decisions and taking swift action towards achieving our goals.